going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas cocktail, and this Christmas cocktail, guys, is the Jack Frost cocktail. It's a nice blue colour, and I will show you how to make it. It's a blended cocktail, this one, so get your glass and rim it with coconut flakes. So what I've done, as you can see from here, I've rimmed it with coconut flakes. How I did that was put a bit of simple syrup, rimmed it top of the glass, and then on a small plate I put some coconut flakes and just rimmed it. So we can put that to one side for now. So first ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 8 ounces, which is about 200 ml of pineapple juice. So another measurement is there's no way there's one person. Again, 120 ml or 4 ounces of white rum. So the next ingredient into the blender is 120 ml or 4 ounces of cream of coconut. As you can see, mine's homemade. I think we're going to need more ice. Put this on, put your head on. And let's blend right into it. Right, now we're blended into it, now we're going straight into our glass. It's a 10 out of 10. I think it's the best one I've made so far for a Christmas cocktail. But that's a Jack Frost cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. It really does help the channel grow. And thank you for your support throughout 2020. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys for the next Christmas cocktail. Cheers.